In a strategic move that signals a notable pivot in Egypt's military procurement policy, Cairo has officially confirmed the deployment of the Chinese-made HQ-9B long-range surface-to-air missile system. The revelation, made during a televised interview with retired Egyptian Major General Samir Farag, marks the end of years of speculation since initial procurement rumors surfaced in 2017. Farag disclosed that the HQ-9B has been fully integrated into Egypt's multi-tiered air defense grid, where it complements an eclectic mix of Russian and Western systems. This announcement comes amid growing evidence of Egypt's logistical ties with Beijing. In July 2025, Egyptian IL-76MF transport aircraft were tracked returning from China via Pakistan, a pattern that aligned with previous indicators of military hardware transfers. With the HQ-9B now publicly acknowledged, it becomes a central pillar of Egypt's efforts to establish strategic autonomy in air defense. Built on Tian 8x8 platforms, the HQ-9B system offers formidable capabilities. Its range extends to 260 kilometers, and it can strike targets flying at altitudes above 27 kilometers. These attributes place it in the same league as high-end systems like Russia's S-400. The mobile configuration makes it adaptable to dynamic threat environments, and its advanced radar suite allows it to detect and track multiple targets at once, even in electronic warfare-heavy conditions. Egypt's decision to deepen its military collaboration with China has been fueled by a host of regional security concerns. Tensions with Israel over Gaza, Turkey's assertiveness in Libya and Syria, and the enduring memory of NATO's 2011 intervention in Libya have all contributed to Egypt's motivation to reduce reliance on traditional Western suppliers. The HQ-9B's reputation for detecting stealth aircraft and intercepting high-precision threats was a decisive factor in its selection. The Chinese system is part of a broader trend in Cairo's defense policy. Egypt has also procured Chinese Wing-Long 1D drones and is reportedly exploring options to acquire stealth fighters like the J-31. These developments highlight a deliberate realignment in Egypt's military doctrine, one that seeks flexibility, freedom from restrictive end-user agreements, and access to emerging defense technologies. This policy shift has been partly prompted by repeated setbacks in acquiring advanced Western systems. The United States has withheld next-generation air-to-air missiles from Egypt's F-16 fleet, leaving it reliant on outdated AIM-7 Sparrows. France blocked the sale of long-range Mica missiles for the Rafale jets, and Germany redirected 2 Iris-T SLM air defense batteries to Ukraine after delivery delays. Although Cairo expressed interest in India's Akash missile system, progress was bogged down by procedural red tape in New Delhi. By contrast, Chinese systems such as the HQ-9B are offered with far fewer strings attached. Priced at roughly $1.5 billion per regiment, the HQ-9B is considerably more affordable than its Western or Russian counterparts and is delivered without operational restrictions or re-export bans. This unrestricted framework aligns with Egypt's growing interest in preserving its strategic autonomy. The missile system has already been displayed publicly in multiple venues, including the 2017 Chinese military parade in Zurich and the 2022 Zhuhai Air Show. Variants like the FD-2000B and HQ-9C boast improved radars, dual-layer interceptor configurations, and enhanced multi-target tracking. The system has found buyers in countries like Pakistan, Turkmenistan, Morocco, and Uzbekistan. Egypt now joins this group, reflecting China's expanding influence in the defense architecture of Africa and the Middle East. The HQ-9B draws heavily from both Russian and American technologies, blending design elements from the S-300PMU-1 and US-style radar systems. It uses a combination of inertial navigation, data link guidance, and terminal radar homing to track and engage up to 8 aerial threats simultaneously. Its radar suite, mounted on a high-mobility 8x8 chassis, supports rapid 360-degree coverage and swift redeployment. Primed to tackle a wide spectrum of airborne dangers, including stealth aircraft, ballistic missiles, and drones, the HQ-9B has reportedly excelled in Chinese military simulations. Some variants were shown at airshows with increased missile density, indicating future iterations may offer even greater firepower. For now, Egypt is believed to field the standard configuration, equipped with both surveillance and fire control radars, and operating under the limitations of regional treaties, such as those governing demilitarization in Sinai. The HQ-9B fits seamlessly into Egypt's broader air defense framework. Existing systems like the Russian Tor M2 and Buk M2, along with Germany's Iris-T and radar platforms from France and the US, form a robust detection and interception network. Long-range radar units like the N/TPS-78, Thales GM400, and Protivnik GE serve as early warning components. Egypt has also worked to integrate these systems with its MiG-29M fighters and appears open to linking them with future Chinese airframes, possibly including the J-10C or J-31. With its extended range, the HQ-9B enhances Egypt's ability to monitor and defend strategic corridors such as the Suez Canal and the Red Sea approaches, all while maintaining compliance with sensitive treaty zones. Its inclusion in Egypt's air defense not only boosts operational readiness but also demonstrates the growing confidence in Chinese military exports. Though it has yet to see combat deployment, the HQ-9B has already earned a reputation as a potent system under simulated battlefield conditions. Chinese media have portrayed it as resilient against jamming and highly capable of engaging low-signature targets. Egypt's deployment further elevates the system's international credibility and signals a calculated shift toward non-Western military partnerships, one that underscores Egypt's pursuit of sovereign defense capabilities in an increasingly multipolar world.